Okay, so building motorcycles wasn't your thing.
Yeah, neither was cooking, painting, close-up magic, street surfing, model trains, bird watching, aerial gymnastics, real estate investing, amateur dentistry, animal husbandry, cheese making, or reading.
That's why I brought you to the mall. If we can't find your thing here, then so help me, I'll just pick up the items I came for and we can leave. See, there's no way you can do that.
But what if chainsaw sculpting's my thing?
You didn't let me finish. I was gonna say there's no way you can do that without all the necessary safety equipment.
Why did you pause like that?
Pause like, what?
I don't have time for this. I think my log was broken. It was supposed to